Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar gained 0.8% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 5.7% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The gold dollar pair dove 2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices fell 1%, extending losses from Monday, on the back of rising US crude production, as well as hopes of an Israeli-Hamas ceasefire. The Canadian dollar weakened to an 11-day low as slower than expected domestic economic growth supported bets the Bank of Canada would cut rates more deeply than the Federal Reserve. For April, the loonie was down 1.5%, its biggest monthly decline since October. A federal judge has sentenced former Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao to 4 months in prison for violating US money laundering laws, to which he pleaded guilty in November.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's 10Y bond auction will be released at 9 GMT. The US ADP employment change at 12:15 GMT, Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 23:50 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT. The Dutch market manufacturing PMI at 5 GMT. The Dutch retail sales at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.